Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, when I have this wig cap on, you know what time it is. So let's get started. I am showing you guys a beautiful unit by BeautyForeverHair, and I love to show you guys everything right out of the packaging. This is straight out. I did receive some Bye Bye Knots lace tape for this unit, and this hair came extremely soft right out of the box. And get into the lace, you guys. I was so impressed how good that hairline looks. This is a 7x6 lace, and when I tell you, like I said, this hair is super soft. It's amazingly soft. Okay, I do want to show you guys what this looks like skin to lace. So as you guys can see, it looks like it's gonna melt down pretty well. It does come with this band here that you can adjust, adjustable straps in the back, and it also comes with this drawstring here, which give you that 360 double security that you will need. Okay, I love how this lace just naturally blends to your skin, so that was a plus for me. I went ahead and just put the unit on, and when I say it was very much snug, the only thing that I did was just put a little bit of my foundation around the edges of that lace so that it can just blend even more better. That was just something that I personally did for me. You can customize it, make it your own, all that good stuff. The ears does fit comfortably on both sides, so your ears are not hiding. This is where the lace technically stops. So it stops before the sideburns start. So where the sideburns is, you don't get any lace there, but it does stop right before the sideburns. I also love that you don't have to pluck this unit. The hairline is plucked very well, and even if you was to part it anywhere, look how good and natural that looks. It just looks definitely like scalp. So if I was to part it on the side, middle, wherever, you can definitely make a part without even having to pluck that. So y'all know plucking takes so much time, and it's just a lot of work, so I'm just glad that I don't have to do that either. So all around, as far as the lace, is great. I am going to flat iron this unit, but I do want to show you guys also the length. This is, I believe, a 24, so the length stops right on top of my butt area, so that is good as far as length. I'm pretty short, so all hair looks a little bit longer on me for some reason, but I love the length. The length is perfect. Okay, and I also want to show you guys the texture up close. This is the texture. I love this texture because it mimics my real hair texture. I don't know if I said this, but this is a soft, light, yaki texture, okay? So imagine if I was to get my hair blown out, or go to the beauty salon and get my hair blowed out and straightened. This is what it will look like, okay? So I like that it just looks like my real hair. So I went ahead and used a little bit of some hair serum just to give the hair some shine. Even though this hair does have its own natural luster to it, I wanted to make sure I do that before putting heat to the hair. So you can use this, use your heat up to 450, I believe, the highest, so that's a plus for me. And I did notice once I did put heat to the hair, it did make the hair much more softer. The hair became even much more flowy, so you guys are gonna see how good this looks. Like, look how amazing that looks. It looks like pure silk. Like, it's so soft. You can curl this hair too, but personally I didn't want any curls. But yes, you can use your curling irons and make curls into this hair. And yeah, but I personally just wanted a straight look. You could tell the difference. One side is this side is flat iron, and then the other side, which is this side here that I'm touching, is not, so you guys can see the difference. Okay, either way, both sides are beautiful, but there is a difference once you do put some heat to this textured hair. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other side. I do like the fact that I didn't have to keep repeating over and over to get the hair straightened. It took nothing to get it straight, okay? So it was very quick. Now, personally, the back, I couldn't get that much right in the middle, so please do not mind the little dent in the back. I just wanted you guys to see the length and the full body of the hair. It's so soft and flowy. It's not stiff. Like, it's really, you know, giving. So I love that. The hair, the wig in itself came naturally flat on its own, so it had no bulkiness in it. I didn't even have to use my hot comb. Now that I'm thinking of it, I didn't have to use my hot comb to, you know, press it and flatten out the wig. It came naturally flat and just really constructed very well for my head. So I know that I was saying that I love the middle part, but I am going to show you guys what the side part looks like. So I want to show you also what this hairline looks like up close. This is no glue, by the way. I did not use any glue, no spray or nothing. And look how good and flat that lays down to my skin. I was so impressed. So impressed, because y'all know sometimes you don't want to use any glue. You just want to throw a wig on and just go, especially during the summer, this heat. Like, oh my gosh, I was so happy about that, and definitely impressed. So if you do want to use any glue, I would just highly recommend using some type of adhesive spray, or like any type of like holding spray will be good. But as far as adhesive actually glue, I don't think you need that. Like, this hair lays down naturally and flat on its own. So I end up parting it to the side so you guys can see how this wig looked like for a side part. Okay, so I am going to do that really quickly and then come back and show you guys. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I want to handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Young cast. Last, now everybody go to breakfast. So I went ahead and did some baby hairs too as well, so you guys can see what baby hairs look like with this, and it looks really good. I was like so into myself, y'all. I was taking pictures and everything. A side part just really just does it for me. I also want to show you guys the drawstring that comes with this unit and what it's made for. So all you pretty much have to do is just pull that drawstring, and you're going to basically feel it gather together. You're going to feel it basically just gather, and it's going to give you that double security, and you're going to know that your wig is not going anywhere. I'm sorry. Your wig is not going anywhere. And then you just tuck that string in, hide it underneath, and as you guys can see, it looks very neat. There's no tracks or anything showing. So I love this because this is great for if you're, you know, very active in the gym, your everyday wig. And also you could put this in a ponytail. So if I was to do this in a ponytail, it looks very good and neat. I don't have to worry about anything bulking or sticking out. It just looks good and there's nothing showing. So I love that. So it gives you more of a versatility to the wig. It gives you more to do. So I do like that. It just comes with so many different benefits. So I do personally like it, and especially because I don't have to wear any glue with this hair. That drawstring gives me that security that I need, that it's not going to slip or fall off or anything like that. But overall, y'all, I love this hair. Let me know what y'all think down below. It's super soft. The quality in itself is just a 10 out of 10. They constructed this wig very well. It was very thought out. All the way from the hair texture to the lace and everything was just really thought of, and they took their time. You can just definitely say and tell that they took their time on the hair. So I love it. Let me know what y'all think down below. Don't forget to click that link in my description. It's going to send you a direct link to the hair to purchase. As always, Beauty Forever never ever stirs me wrong with their great quality hair. Until next time, baby dolls, I'll see you all in my next video.
nothing to this.